Today, I'm going to be comparing my iPhone 11 to her iPhone 14 Pro, her crusty iPhone 14 Pro. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Adoma. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're not, thank you so much for always watching my videos. So guys, this is Adana.
Yes.
Today, I'm going to be comparing my iPhone 11 to her iPhone 14 Pro, her crusty iPhone 14 Pro.
If I hear say you die now, people they cry say you die. I'm not going to even ask them what kill you because I don't say last now envy now go kill you.
Crusty.
Are you seeing how crusty it is?
No, it's not. It is sleek in the highest order. You know, a phone can buy two of your phones, right? No, just so you know.
That's no.
Jesus Christ. You know when I don't like poverty around, but oh well. I just agreed to do this video because like why not?
Hear me
Move
out.
now.
Hear me out.
Move your facts. Move your facts.
My first point of argument is that my phone is finer than your phone. That's the truth.
Okay.
That's the truth. It's bitter, but you have to take it.
I don't understand. Bitter.
Yes.
No.
The truth is
Oh,
bitter.
yeah, let's show them. Oh yeah, now sit. Okay.
Please, you people should help us compare
I
this
don't
phone.
understand.
Help us, oh.
Jesus Christ.
No, see how sexy.
Sexy.
See my
call.
2 cameras and 1 flash.
Oh my God,
Why is
look
your
at my
camera
phone.
very big?
Why is it not going
Please
to
tell
be?
us why it's big. She cannot even say anything.
I can't say
She
anything.
cannot
'Cause
defend her
I cannot be arguing with poverty.
Oh my god.
My parents did not train me like that. No, my parents flee away from evil, and this is evil. I cannot be doing that.
Oh my god, scream my phone evil. Let's be serious. Like, be for real. Adana. Whose phone is finer? Whose design is finer? You people should judge this video in the comment section.
I don't
No.
understand.
Don't say because she's using iPhone 14 Pro, you now say okay. Let us be very like we're both studying law.
My phone.
We work with facts.
My phone.
I don't know, please check this phone now.
My phone.
I don't know, please check.
Luxury.
See my
which
phone,
one? I don't
glass.
understand. Glass what?
Are you people seeing that my phone is glass?
Glass.
Where is the glass?
Titanium.
Where is the glass your phone?
Titanium. That is what it is.
I don't know, why is your phone having 3 cameras? Why is it very big?
Because that is what.
It's so big. Why is it big? Why is the camera lens big?
Because if I snap your picture to sharp now, sharp picture. What are you doing?
Oh my
Why
god.
3 cameras. That is the idea. Bego.
You people should tell me. The design of iPhone 11. See, my phone is white. Her phone is purple. Who's
We have white, so we have white.
Please, who buys? Who produces phone in purple? Please, can you people tell me? Why is the phone in purple?
Wait, the last time I checked, it's dead colors that this 11 has. The red,
But my
green, a bit blue. What
phone
other
is white.
colors? Gold,
phone is
yellow. I think you
Yellow.
guys have yellow now.
What's my business? Can you remember
Like
my
it's
phone?
nonsense color.
Which one
This
is
one
purple?
royal
Where is your
color?
phone?
Purple is a royal color.
Why
you
is
know
your,
it.
which one is royal color?
Wait, you know what's the significance
deceiving
of
yourself?
purple in
I don't know, the truth
no
is
in the
bitter.
color rainbow.
I don't know the truth.
In the color
in
wheel.
the
Sorry,
rainbow.
sorry, wheel.
So guys, my next point is that iPhone 14 Pro is too heavy. Please show them your phone. Why is it heavy? Why is it thick like this?
Because-
Are you people seeing the design of this phone?
You have to understand
check the light.
when it's a heavy money. Do you know when you use heavy money to buy something, it's gonna be heavy. This thing is made of titanium. Do you know how many features? What is this? Because go and throw this in. It is even doing me somehow. I'm scared. Are you not surprised that this phone might blow up? Chimo. Now wow. See, God I beg.
They think they made it in life. See my phone. If I'm carrying this phone now, very lightweight. Are you traveling to?
At least I know that I'm holding phone. You know when things are made of diamonds, you know it's very heavy. It gives this like luxury. And again, so you'll be aware of you are aware that you are holding something. You're holding something worth that amount. Not this one. What is this feather? They should have made it as light as feather now, so it can fly away.
You people should judge. You people should judge this thing. The TV that our old forefathers were using was not all these heavy things. As they progress, they started making it lightweight. From old cathode, all those TV with big head, they moved to flat screen. They don't even move to flat screen immediately. There was one kind of other TV. They are making everything as technology improve. They are bringing it forward. But this one, they're taking it backward. Instead of the phone to become more lightweight, they're making it more heavy. Which kind of design is that one?
No, you have also forgotten that people were complaining that they'll keep their phone and then maybe sit down on it. Now, if you hold phone, you know you are holding a phone. Plus, what are you even saying? I don't understand. This titanium back, anti-scratch. Can you see it? Anti-scratch. This one now, nothing can ever happen to you. If you sit down, it's not the one that you say, hey, that's my back has broken. You are talking rubbish. No, they should have made it feather. When you keep it, it fly away. It fly because you want to make a light phone.
Guys, my next point is that buying an iPhone 14 Pro is a waste of money. Like, why? It's almost 1 million naira. Like, why? Like,
It's not almost. It is 1 million.
Be for real. Be for real. You wasted money. You know why? My phone is not up to 1 million naira,
Okay.
and it's doing everything that your phone is doing.
You say waiting.
No,
No, you say waiting.
that's the truth.
That is not any
No,
truth.
truth is bitter. Just
It's
accept
not. What is your phone doing that my phone is doing?
My camera is the same thing as your own.
Holy Ghost fire. What kind of joke is that? It cannot be the same. My own camera. Do you know that this camera now, you can even snap your X-ray with my camera. That's how sharp it is.
Apart from the fact that our cameras are like the same thing, let me tell you something. I have the same iOS that you have. Our iOS is the same. So what can your phone do that my phone cannot do? Just tell me one thing.
You know something about it is that if I want to from here travel now to Kaduna, I can enter the same bus. You can enter, or plane. We shall get to the destination. It's the same means of transportation. But the point is that the fact that if you are using a Mercedes Benz, all those kind of cars, BMW, very nice Ferrari, Bugatti, Tesla, if you are using that kind of car, you will get to the same place. It's not the same thing with keke napep. All the same, it's the same word we will all apply. So we are using the same iOS because you are a keke napep, I am a Tesla, and we're applying the same word. That's why we're using the same iOS. Not that there's any. Don't think you are special, okay? Relax. Poverty is hard to actually swallow when you are poor. When you are rich, normally we don't make mouths, but it's just the same. That's what I'm trying to say. Do you understand now?
I can never understand. Can you see that me? I'm kicking a pep. I shall never be kicking a pep. I shall grow stronger in the Lord. Me kicking a pep. You know who I am? Can't ask about me. Can you call me kicking a pep?
It's the same word we're applying, the same iOS, no problem. We accept. But you are a keke napep now. I'm like a Tesla. So we're just applying the same word because you are fortunate to apply. Not that it's the same. You cannot. Don't even try it. Do you understand? I'm gonna take your man.
People should be the judge in the comment section. Tell us. See, I don't want people to be judging based on she's using 14 Pro. I'm using 11. Let us not be biased. See, we're both studying law.
Yes.
And she's doing equity, so she's 400 level.
Yes, and equity says that equity aids the vigilant, not the indolent. People that are sharp, that moved on with the trend, not the indolent people that remained in 11. Do you understand?
I'm not indolent.
No, it's what equity said now.
Hey.
Equity.
Indolent.
It's equity that called you indolent.
Why
Okay, you
indolent?
said that we should bring equity. We're doing law.
You guys, my next point is that why does iPhone 14 Pro have always on display? Let us show them your Nkanka phone.
It's small, so it will not break.
You guys, in case you don't know anything about iPhone 14 Pro, iPhone 14 Pro has this. When you switch, when your phone is on, yeah, when you switch it off, it doesn't go off. I don't know if you guys can see. If you cannot see, I'll put it as a screen recording. It doesn't go off. Like, why does it have this? It's a disadvantage. Do you know that?
Disadvantage of what? Did they tell you that it's killing my battery?
Yes, it kills battery.
It doesn't kill battery.
Battery.
No, my battery is actually way better than yours. I don't know why you did not even put it in this thing. I don't understand. Well, it doesn't kill battery at all, and it's always on display. Cause why not? Why not? If you have this very cute, it does not kill battery. My phone will be on 100% for 4 hours, and it's always on display. It is very cute.
Why is your phone on when it's not on?
Is it your on?
It's not. It
Okay, no.
sense.
You like the fact that
See,
my phone is so
reasonable.
no, my phone is actually so sensitive that when I'm even sad, it feels like it knows me. Do you understand? It feels like it knows me, and always on display is that bad that when I just stare at it, it turns on. Like it's everything. It's a companion. God, I don't. You cut it. I don't have to start looking for that button and press. Like, who does that now? Move on.
Anna has spoken. Let me explain. This is how normal phone is, and it comes on. You guys, yes. See my lock screen. Yeah, I know he's very, very cute. We should rate him. Don't rate him because somebody now come and tell him that he's not fine. Why am I liking K drama? Yes. I don't even have to press it. Do you know I don't have to press my phone? I just look at my phone and it comes on.
Since when?
No, let us check.
Yeah.
You should go.
It's a lie. You press it.
I did.
Come on.
Oh yeah, see.
Yeah.
Eh.
It's the same thing with my own.
It's a lie. It's not the
It's
same
not even
thing.
the same thing. Like, what am I? Why would I even compare my phone? It's not the same thing. Nah, go work for God. Okay, na pep. You're actually acting like a hater. You should try as much as possible not to be like.
I'm telling you the truth. You know the truth is bitter.
No. It's not bitterness.
The truth is
It's
bitter.
Hate. You know,
But the truth
Nigeria
is
is
bitter now.
hard, but then you shouldn't like relax.
But
Continue. The display is always on because that is actually the model, you know, the whole thing. I think I really like it. It brings spice to the fact that like I like it when people always come to me and be like, oh, I heard your phone is always on display, and then I'm like, yes. Like, you know, it's actually, you know,
Spice, are you cooking?
luxury. No, it's luxury.
cooking
Like, you know, when someone is luxurious, like I can't really explain. Do you understand? Because like there's no way you understand. So
There's no way I understand.
at all.
I cannot understand.
Eh.
People should please be the judge in the comment section because Adana refuses to accept the truth. The truth is bitter. Please do not be biased, like we said, equity.
Judge the indolent now.
No, I'm not indolent. I don't know
are
what you're saying.
indolent,
It's
you
you
know
that is
sharp,
it's
you're
you that
not
is
sharp.
indolent. You people, this is my last and final point. To prove to you and not to confuse you that you should not get the iPhone 14. It's not worth it. Stay with your iPhone 8 Plus, XR, XS Max, 11, 12, 13. Do not upgrade. If you're using iPhone 8 Plus, please change it. I'm so sorry. Okay, if you don't even take picture, if you don't care, don't be pressured. But me now, I do content, so like I need a really good camera. So that's why you guys should subscribe. Like right now, yes, you guys watching, subscribe. For it to come this far in this video, it means that you have actually been enjoying it. It will be wickedness if you don't subscribe. Please subscribe. Yes, just one tap. I'm not collecting any money from you. It's very free, and the like button too. And please share to your friends. Yeah. So guys, the last and final point to diss this girl off and make her understand that her phone was a total waste of money is that, please, can you people tell me why there's one black thing that's not dynamic island is cutting through the iPhone 14? Please show them your phone.
My dynamic island. You see it? One in town, first ever made. Are you seeing it? See it though. See this phone. First, it has like the Face ID. I think that was one of the things that actually.
Excuse you. I also have Face ID.
Please, one of the things that actually made me, you know, fascinated when I got my phone. That this Face ID, it's like drops like magic. I love it. Like it has this, you know, very interesting. Fascinating effects. Like it just drops, you know, it's this tiny, but then when the Face ID is about to come up, it like becomes the whole box something. Unlike these people, okay, you're talking, why is it blocking? Your own is it not blocking?
My own is not blocking.
No, come now, wait
no,
now.
let us check this thing. When you're watching Netflix, just enjoy your Netflix.
Yes, now very much well.
It's cutting in between.
It's not causing any in between at all. It's not your business. It's not your problem. Now I like it. If you're ever making call like this, like for example, and then like the whole volume thing, the voice memo, something, it's always up there. Do you get it? To be showing okay when it's like bass, it's high, it's low, and even the music. Is there like even the last app you use? It literally shows there when you finish using the app. When you take it off. Oh yeah, tell me that. Is this not enough? Why am I even arguing with you? I don't understand.
Please.
Why am I even arguing with
People,
you? Dynamic
please
island.
let us be very sincere. Adana, yeah, we're in a Christian school. They're teaching us how not to lie, and we should be honest with ourselves. Adana, should we used to watch Netflix?
Yes, I do.
Do you enjoy your Netflix? Please, why will I be watching a movie and it will be cutting through the movie? Why is this separated from, like, which kind of rubbish phone is? What kind of nonsense is that?
I don't understand. It's cutting through the movie.
Yes.
How it's not in my own understanding. I don't have a problem with that though.
No lie.
It's not by lie. I don't have problem. Now your problem. I don't have problem. People. I think my phone is one of the best things that ever happened to me. Like I love you guys, Apple. We should even tag Apple because like, why not? It's not easy for people to afford iPhone 14, you know. And if possible, when you're even tagging them, maybe when you're editing this video, try and cut off the part where you called your phone's name. Do you get?
Stop it. Stop it.
See, can you see that she's a psycho person? She doesn't even know. She has refused to be in touch with the truth. she needs to understand that her dynamic island is a nonsense future and it is a waste of money by her getting the iPhone 14 because it's just the hype. I'm telling you the truth.
I love my dynamic island.
Show them a clip of watching Netflix, watching YouTube, Netflix, anything. Can you guys see that the dynamic island, if you don't know what the dynamic island is on the new 14 series, is actually the black thing just above the video. So can you guys not see that it is actually interrupting what you're watching? Like it's a distraction. Why is a black thing above what I'm watching? Like why? It doesn't make sense at all.
I'm actually looking at it because it has never disrupted any of my this thing. I'm actually just noticing it. There's nothing wrong with it. It has never disrupted. See, if I want to watch anything I want to watch, I used to see it. And then maybe your eye is big. You want your eye to be as big as the one of octopus because I don't understand. What are you using that small space? Is it that small space that is the whole problem that will make your video not to be okay? So don't you get the point of this video? Is it when they show you the ending of the curtain? That's when your video will be complete. I don't understand.
I don't know. It's interrupting what I'm watching. Why would I buy a phone that the notification is showing in between the video? Which kind of rubbish is that one?
People should no, if you don't want to buy a phone that will show, buy television. It will not show notification. I promise you. Buy television. Then when you are watching, no notification. Do you understand? Because why do you have a phone? If a call is coming, won't it enter anything that you like? That is the point of phone. If you don't want it to show, buy television. Then be watching it in your house. No notification. Promise.
People, I will not argue. Please just judge in the comment section. So guys, we've come to the end of this video. I hope I'll be able to convince you and not to confuse you that buying the iPhone 14 is a total waste. Do not do it. Do not waste your money. Please go and invest that money. Put it in something else. Get the iPhone 12 or the iPhone 11. Do not waste your money on the iPhone 14 like she did. She's pained. That's why she's arguing with me. She's pained.
Only 11. How many land do you have in Banana Island?
You are pained.
You wait. How many land?
Do you know my investment?
Investment.
Do you know my investment?
And you investment. What do you use it?
You don't know my investment.
You know investment like investor. Investor.
Do you think you know me?
Investor Sabinus.
Do you know? Guys, if you stay here and argue, we're never going to leave this place. So I want you guys to be the judge of this argument. iPhone 11 versus iPhone 14 Pro. The iPhone 14, like the whole iPhone 14, yes. I'm also going against the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Yes, the phone is ugly. It's a waste of money. Why do they have dynamic island? Like, guys, please, just be the judge. Be the judge, yeah. Bye, guys.
We love you.
Subscribe, like, share, turn on post notifications. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Oh, you don't do edges, me. I don't do edges, me. That have 14 people. You're very, very small. Testing, 1, 2. How you guys doing?